Okay, sorry for the interpretation. So sorry for the interpretation. Again, I'm going to take so the same question there. So column 1, column 2. So here Environment Act. So that is option B, 1986. So this will be the A. Air Control and Air Prevention Control of Pollution Act, that will be 1987. This will be B. Water Prevention and Control Pollution Act, so that will be 1974. This will be the C. Concept of Joint Forest Management of Government of India is 1980. So this will be the D. So the right answer is B. The right answer will be the B. So match the column 1 with the 2. Select the correct options. Column 1, organism, zooplankton. B, small fish, large fish, fish-eating birds. Column 2, concentration of DDT, 2 pm, 0.04 ppm. Option 3, 0.5 ppm, fish-eating birds, 25 ppm. So here we're going to take the law zooplankton will be the 4 ppm. So this will be the option A. So small fish will be the option B. 3, the third one. Large fish is 2 ppm, C, and fish eating birds will be the D. So fish eating, so that is D fourth. So D fourth, zooplankton second one, small fish 0.5, and large fish will be the 2 ppm. So option ನೋಡೋಣ. So we'll go to the option ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಇದೆ. So option ಬಂದು, so that is A is the right answer. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಿಷ. So A is the right answer for all the options. Okay. Okay, 48th question. So we'll go to the match the following column 1 to select the correct option. Ahmad Khan, Ramesh Chandra Dagar, Amrita Devi Bishnohi. So here Ahmad Khan, so that is a column 2, spreading information, help in the practice of integrated organic farming, protecting wildlife, a plastic sack manufacturer of Bangalore developed a polyblend. So Ahmad Khan, so it will be the option for 3. Ramesh Chandra, there will be the option for 1. Amrita Devi Vishnu will be the option for the second one, that is protecting a wildlife. So C, and I think so which one is, I think ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ತಪ್ಪು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ. 48 ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ನೋಡಿ, A3 ಓಕೆ, B1, C2 ಆಗಬೇಕಿತ್ತು. ಎಸ್, C2 ಆಗಬೇಕಿತ್ತು. 48 A, C ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ನು 2 ಆಗಬೇಕಿತ್ತು, ಮಿಸ್ ಆಗಿಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ, ಪ್ರಿಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಆಗಿಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ. ಸೊ ವಿಲ್ ಕೀಪ್ ಅಪ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್, ಎ ಇಸ್ ದ ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಅಂತ. ದಿಸ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಸಿ ಇರೋದು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಿತ್ತು. ಓಕೆ, ವಿಲ್ ಗೋ ಟು ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. Which of one of the following pairs is a mismatched? Fossil fuel burning releases carbon dioxide, nuclear power radioactive wastes, solar energy greenhouse effect, biomass burning release of a carbon dioxide. So among option all four, which one is the mismatching? ಯಾವುದು mismatch ಆಗಿದೆ? 49th question there. The solar energy, so that is the greenhouse effect, so that will be the mismatched. Option C is the solar energy greenhouse effect, that is a mismatched. Remaining all three are correct. So 50th question, match the items of column 1 and with the column 2, choose the correct option. UV, column 1, option A, Option B ಬಂದು biodegradable organic matter. C DDT. D is the phosphates. Column second, biomagnification, eutrophication, snow blindness, and fourth one is BOD. I think ultraviolet radius DDT. So that is phosphate, biodegradable organic matter. Biomagnification. So DDT, biomagnification. So D1 is first one. So D1 is okay. C. Fourth one. 1 minute. Just see for A ಬಂದು ultraviolet ಬಂದು that is the snow blindness. Okay. So B ಬಂದು that is biodegradable is BOD. Option B to 4. This is a B. Okay. Phosphates is a eutrophication. So D is second, C is first, B is fourth, A is third one. I think answer C is the right answer. Okay. So that is 50th questions. So last question, 51 question. So match the column 1 and 2, choose the correct option. Colloidal matters. A. Waterborne diseases. E. Waste. D is the manure. E is the bad ozone. Option second, typhoid, jaundice, cholera. Option 2, irreparable computers and other electronic goods. Fecal matter, bacteria, cloth and paper fibers. Troposphere, cattle, etc. Dung. So here, very simple one. This is 51 question there. So if you take e-waste, so you will choose first the easy answer. The e-waste, that is irreparable computers and electronic goods. Electronic goods. And so A ಬಂದು that is colloidal materials, so that is fecal matter, bacteria and clothes ಬರುತ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. So B ಬಂದು that is waterborne diseases, ಇಲ್ಲಿ typhoid, jaundice, cholera, that is these diseases are come from water. And manure is D is cattle excreta, and bad ozone will be the troposphere. So answer is C. 51 question answer is the C option. I hope you all understand this session, and from the session I am going to deal with 40-45 questions. I think this material have more than 60 to 70 questions. The remaining question, please take it as an assignment. If you have any doubts, please contact my number which I have given in the group. So please go through it. So if you have any doubts regarding this chapter, please ask me. Okay. Thank you.